Okay. Now see buddy. Now write down the question. That's it. Write a question. What is the question? Put that scale down, buddy. Okay. So the question is a 0.1 meter long conductor carrying current is how much here? 50 ampere is perpendicular to the magnetic field. Okay. And the magnetic field is how much here? 1.25 millitesla. Okay. Now the mechanical power to move the conductor with a speed of how much here? 1 meter per second is. Calculate. Very simple question. Not a big deal here. So solution you know already. What is that formula? Power which is nothing but what is it here? B square. B square and L. What is that? L square also, right? Divided by what is that resistance? R. Resistance is how much here? R. So we don't have a R value. We need to find out. R value is nothing but what is it here? R is nothing but a EMF divided by EMF also we don't know. For that first what I need to find a EMF you need to find, which is a BLV you need to find out. Then you will get a E divided by I, you will get it. Yes or no? Then you will replace all those things there. Find out. EMF will be how much here? What is the EMF? B value is 1 milli, 1.25 into 10 power minus 3. L is 0.1 and B is 1. Give me the answer in volt. What is the answer? Tell me then. So it will be 1.25 into 10 power minus 4. Can I get it like that? So 1.25 into 10 power minus 4 and the current is how much here? 50 amperes. How much here? 50 amperes. So resistance will be equal to how much here? 125 into 10 power minus 4, sorry 6 it will become, divided by 50. So with the 25 can I cancel? 25 5s are 125 and this is 2 is so R is equal to, it will be 2.5 times of a 10 power 6 ohms. You got the same answer? Minus 6. Yes I know. Now your power is equal to B square. B square means how much here? 1.25 into 10 power minus 3 whole square. Velocity is how much here? 1 square. Length is how much here? zero point 0.1 means a 10 power minus 1 whole square. Divided by resistance is how much you have, it is 2.5 into 10 power minus 6. Please give me the answer. So this can be written like this also, no? 125 into 125 into what is it here? 10 power minus 6 will be there. This 10 power minus 6, this 10 power minus 6 I can cancel. Right buddy? Then 125, how many times can I cancel? 2 times this one? Yes or no? Then 2 how many times it will cancel here? 0 0.6 and this is 2 and then 5. Yes or no? That's it. The answer will be how much here? 0.625 into 10 power minus 2. Power will be written, its unit will be what is it here? Watts. bottle से मारूंगा. Everybody will die. You also die. Yeah? No. Everybody don't want to study. You also don't want to study. Huh? Next. You got the answer? Crash check. Same answer or different? Same. Very good. Next. Okay. Chalo, we'll solve this question. Just draw the figure. See, you know already it is sliding and all the whole story, you know. Just draw the figure. Square loop is there here. Theoretical questions are very, very important. So what is it here? A conducting square loop is there, like a diagram. See this one. Now the current they ask. What is it they are asking you? The plane of loop exists everywhere. This is also part of the question here. The current induced in the loop will be. What is the current induced in the loop? Now you know already one simple logic. First, whether the current is there in the circuit or not, we'll see. Which direction it is going here? Right or left side? Right side? Are you sure? Okay, right side now. Which rule you will use? Fleming's rule. Which rule you will use? Fleming's rule. See my fingers here. Now exactly to the plane it is like this, right? Yes I know. The index finger is inside the plane and this thumb indicates the motion of the conductor. Then the middle finger indicates what is it here? The current induced. Yes or no? So which direction current will be induced in this? So where you need to check now? This one. This part is important. This length is important. Clear? Which direction it is? Current up direction or down? Up. Means the current will side. This one will be like this, right? Yes or no? Right? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. So see the options here. So already options were there. Clockwise. Here one clockwise is there. And the current formula you know, right? What is the current formula? BLV divided by Sir, no? You know already current is nothing but induced EMF divided by R. Induced EMF is nothing but BLV divided by R. So which option is correct now? First option. Okay, we got here option. So first option will be correct. Clear? Yes or no? Just write down that. Just diagram you try to draw and induce current. And direction you have to draw. These are all current trending NEET questions, buddy. You also find one of the question from it. Is it done? Yes or no? Simple only, no? Same sort of question I'll give you in a different model, okay? Let's see other question. They may give a capacitor also and they'll ask you what is the charge on this plate, they'll ask. Okay, that sort of questions is there. Where is it? Can you see this question? Now try to do this question. Try to imagine yourself. See, there is a rod, okay? A rod of PQ. This is a PQ, right? This is a PQ. To be capacitor, to connect it to capacitor. Here there is a capacitor. Can you see this is a capacitor? Yes or no? And the rod is placed in a magnetic field. Magnetic field is already there, directed towards perpendicular to the plane of the paper. Means inside the screen. Now if the rod is pulled out, the magnetic field be shown in the figure. Okay. Now they will ask you what is the charge, what is the charge, okay, charge polarity on a plate M and N. Tell me, positive, negative, how? This rod is actually dragged with the velocity. Yes, I know this is dragged this with the velocity, right? Now again what I will do, I will use a Fleming's right hand rule, I will use it. Yes, I know. So see your fingers, you are actually pointed in this manner or not, right? So which direction here? Thumb is indicating the conductor direction inside the field and the current is upside down. Yes or no? So obviously you know that the current direction will be what is it here? Clockwise. Am I correct? Clockwise or not? Now if clockwise na, where is positive, where is negative? Current will always pass from positive to negative. Yes or no? So N will be what is that? It is filled with a positive charge. What about M here? It is filled with the plate is accumulated with what is it here? Negative charge. Am I correct here? Right? Chalo. Is it done? Done or not? Don't even say cutely to me. Okay? I'll never allow you. Huh? You want PT sir? PT. In physics, sir, you get me 140 marks and then speak. Huh? You got 140? 150 marks and you speak. Physics always rocks. Okay? And others will be shocked. Chalo. Physics la 140, 140 above, how many of you there? See, it's all about my hard work, not yours, idiots. Huh? Yes or no? I am doing a work and you need PT. Chapati you don't need. Let me do my job. I'll give you. When means for everything there will be time. Right or this question? Shall I write this question? A conducting rod AB, length is how much here? 1 meter. Is moving with the velocity is what is that here? 4 meter per second. Okay? You just draw the figure first. Write the values of it directly. Okay? Draw the figure. Make an angle how much here? 30 degrees. With the length, the uniform magnetic field is 2T. Exists in the direction of perpendicular to the plane of motion. Please write down. This question is very very important. Shall I? I'm gonna kill you, man. Literally. CD. Now, see, buddy. Morning I told you one formula. Yes or no? Now it is being dragged. Means this rod is not at all moving in a straight direction, but with a little bit curved part. Yes or no? Now what I'll do? I'll divide its components. Shall I divide it? How will you divide, buddy? Velocity components. Tell me, how will you divide? Like this. And can I divide like this also? Yes or no? What is this velocity here? V is a. Array, this is really interesting question. Okay. V is a V sine theta here. Am I correct? And this one is what is it here? V cos. But magnetic field is which direction here? Exactly perpendicular. Are you clear? Here. So now see, conductor is going up direction, magnetic field is inside, so current which direction it will move? Left side. Okay, first thing. Second, magnetic field is what is it here? Inside. Conductor is moving left side, current will be which direction here? Up direction. Are you getting my point here? Sir, no? Sir, no? Is it clear? So now both ways it will actually generate a so direction perpendicular to the plane. Then so what is it they are asking you to find here? Then find a induced EMF. EMF you try to find out. Yes or no? So EMF in a vertical ways, how much it will become, buddy? EMF in vertical ways, B L B sine theta. Yes or no? This time also it is perpendicular or parallel? Perpendicular only. So 10 say give me the answer now. B is how much here? 2. L is 1. V is how much here? 4 meter per second. How much? Sine 30, right? Sine 30 will be how much here? 1 by 2. So totally how much here? 4 volt you will generate. Then E along the x direction also possible or not? It is perpendicular only still. Yes or no? So B L. So then what is the answer now? 2 into 1 into 4 into cos 30 will be how much here? Root 3 by 2. Got it? Huh? So total answer tell me. 4 root 3. Yes or no? 4 root 3 volt. Or else I can write 4 times of root 3 means 1.7. Can I write? So 17 4s are how much? Right? 17 4s are how much? 68 means 6.8 volt. So listen there. How the conductor, listen, here it's very interesting. Now conductor is like this now. Yes or no? So downside what is it here? 6.8 volt and upside what is the volt here? 4 volt. Are you getting my point here? So current generation which direction here? Like this. Clockwise it will generate. Are you getting my point here? So both the direction it will generate a current. Done? Good. Do this question. What is the answer? Now ring is going through this. Which direction the velocity will be there, buddy? V is in the downward direction. Am I correct? So motion is downward direction. Magnetic field is which direction? Inside. Yes or no? So the finger, this one, left side it is showing, right? Am I correct? Yes or no, right? Like this only, no? So the current will flow from where to where? M to Q. Did I tell like that only? Yeah? Got it or not? Yes or no? So induced EMF. Induced EMF is equals to, we have it as a E is equal to B L effective into what is that buddy? B. Am I correct? L effective for this, what is the L effective buddy? Tell me. B into L effective means, what is L effective for this half circle? Arey diameter only no, right? 2r only no. Arey yaar, kya what happened? 2r and velocity is v. So total answer of this one is what is it here? 2brv. Then these are all important questions, buddy. You know minion, or you can say one cute dog. This fellow is watching me like that, man. What do you want, eh? Tell me what do you want? You want chocolate, huh? Huh? Even my boy won't look like that. Huh? Okay? Yes or no? You want PT? After one question, I'll give you PT. Okay? Last question. Hey, you want marks or not? I want to make a pediatrician there. She's gonna kidnap some girl or boy. She already planned someone. Yes or no? Is it finalized? Sketching. So here it will be positive, buddy. Positive potential. This will be what is it here? Negative potential. Am I correct? So last question we'll do it. After that I'll give you PT. No issue. Okay. Chill. Simple. One topic alone I'll teach you. Then after we'll take the leave. Right? Chalo. Right on. Conductor rod move in a vertical plane. Yes. Conductor rod move in a vertical plane. Okay, why I am teaching now? There are certain things we are going to make changes in the previous question. Okay, shall we do it now? What is it now? See, for example, there is a magnetic field like this. Is it clear? Right? Let's imagine there is a, I am trying to tell you, these are the insulators. What are these, buddy? Let's say one static conductors. What is this one here? Static conductors. Static means they are not at all moving. The speed of the conducting is zero. They are not moving basically. Their speed is zero. Now what are we doing now? Let's say one conductor is there like this. One rod is there sliding on this one. How is it sliding? Let's imagine this is a rod which is sliding down on this. And now you see I am connecting one of the resistor also here. Because I want to get a current here. Are you getting my point here? The red color one is static rods, but they are not at all moving anywhere. Who is moving here? This one is moving with the velocity. What is it here? V downside. Clear? Downside if it moves na, obviously current will be there or not, it will generate current or not. Which direction current will generate, please tell me. Use your right hand rule, right hand Fleming's rule, which direction? Going downward direction, magnetic field is in, so current will be left side. Yes or no? So left side na, obviously the current direction is this manner only, no? Are you clear? This one only it will clear, right? Like this only, no? Coming downward direction due to what wording? Due to its weight, right? Due to its weight. Due to its weight, it is coming down. So now what I'll write here. So the weight it is coming down. So due to its weight, it is coming down. So this upon this rod, what happens here? Magnetic force will act. Now listen. Right hand rule you know already, which you can find a current. What about the left hand rule? Which you can find a magnetic force. Which direction it will act? Let's see. Thumb is a magnetic force for us, right? Magnetic field current direction, which direction is there? Inside. Magnetic field direction is inside. This is current direction. This one force direction. So tell me force direction, magnetic force, which direction here? Fm is upside direction, right? And it is going down due to its weight. Yes or no? So Fm is upside direction and downside is what is that here? Weight of that one. Weight is how much here? Mg. Can I write like that? Yes or no, right? We know already Fm formula. What is the formula for Fm? B square L square V divided by resistance. Am I correct? At equilibrium, what can I write? Magnetic force is equal to weight of that particular rod. Yes or no? So now total answer will be what is it now? B square L square V divided by R, which is equal to what is it here? Mg. From this one I can calculate velocity also, no? What is that velocity? B square L square. I'm sorry. It will go down, right? So V is equal to what is it now? Mg divided by R also then mgr. Very good. And then B square and L square. Got it? Huh? L is the length of the rod body. Then you understood, right? So how to find the force of magnetic force by using the left hand Fleming's rule. How to find the current, induced current by using the right hand Fleming's rule. Clear? Any difficulty? No. Tomorrow I will discuss more complicated questions and other things we'll try to do it. Got it? Compulsory NEET or JE compulsory one question from here. No doubt about it. So now you can go for play. Thank you. And Julian, guys, please leave the hall.